Okay, how to add a quick natural camera movement in DaVinci Resolve and Premiere Pro. I'll show it's pretty easy, but there's slightly different steps for each one. So I've got a middle clip here that I want to add a natural camera movement to. And this can be useful if you're doing interviews or have an edit that you want a shot to be slightly moving. So in DaVinci Resolve, we select the clip, we go into Fusion, click on Effects, type in Camera Shake, and then we press play. And you can see it's quite big there, so we're going to dial everything down a little bit. I'm just going to go to 2 here for strength. For speed, I'm going to go to maybe 3. For strength, I'm going to go down to maybe 0.5. And we'll just play that again. So now you can see it's got a slight movement to it. I'm going to dial that down a bit more. And speed, I'm going to dial it down to there. So now when we go back into the timeline, you have, voila, a natural camera movement. And you'll see the edges come out, so in that case you want to just scale it in a little bit. And now we go to Premiere. And it's slightly different. We have to open in After Effects. So we right click. First, it's a good idea to duplicate your clip. Right click, replace with After Effects composition. Now I have it in here, and you go into your wiggler and you click on P for position, add a keyframe, add another keyframe, select both keyframes, and then select smooth, independent, frequency. I'm going to do maybe 2, magnitude maybe 3. Click apply and just take a look at that. You can see it's pretty small there, so I'm going to go undo and do magnitude maybe. Something is happening here. Frequency is not, the magnitude is not making it go bigger, so we're going to try that again. Click your position. Oh, I know why. Okay, so what we have here is a 4K clip. 4K clip, you probably need to do your magnitude a little bit bigger. So we're going to apply here. We're going to go to 72. Now it's pretty big, so we're going to go undo and maybe go down to 30. Select both keyframes, apply. That's not bad. As you can see in After Effects, it's not quite as smooth as DaVinci Resolve. Even though we're clicking smooth here. So when we've done that, we go back to Premiere Pro, and we have our wiggled clip. Again, you might have to tweak the settings in order to make it a little bit smoother. So here's your wiggle clip. And then we go into DaVinci, the same one. As you can see, there's a little bit more, it's a little bit smoother, but again, you'll want to go into each setting and tweak accordingly, just so it doesn't look too fake.